Roast potatoes, we all love them. They're easy to make, taste amazing, and make for the perfect side dish. Hi, welcome to We Eat at Last. I'm Kate Hannah, and today we are going to be making air fryer roast potatoes using the Ninja Foodi air fryer. So we're just going to give the potatoes a quick rinse. You can scrub them if they're extremely dirty, and then we are going to peel them. Next, transfer the potatoes to the pot that comes with your Ninja Foodi. We are going to parboil this so they soften up. You can also boil them on the stove top in a regular pot if your Ninja Foodi doesn't come with a pressure cooking function, for about 7 minutes. And to pressure cook, obviously we're going to need some water. I have half a liter here. And a teaspoon of salt. So next, you just want to put the pressure cooking lid in place, set it to seal, program it to the pressure cooking function, and set the time to 0 minutes. The pressure cooking time is up, and I'm just going to drain the potatoes using a colander. You may want to line your air fryer basket with air fryer liners for easier cleanup, and I've used a colander to drain. So you're just going to allow this to sit for about 3 minutes. Then we are going to shake it to shaft the potatoes a bit. Next, transfer the potatoes to a bowl, and we're going to coat them with some olive oil. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons, which is a generous amount. 2 to 3 is okay. Some salt. I have 1/4 teaspoon here. And then we're going to top them with some chopped rosemary. Next, transfer the potatoes to your air fryer basket. You do not want to overcrowd them because otherwise they will not crispen up properly. And then you just want to set your Ninja Foodi on the air fryer function. Program the time to 20 minutes, making sure to check on them mid-cooking. And this is how they look like after 20 minutes. You can air fry them for 5 minutes longer if you prefer your roast potatoes crispier, but we like ours like this, so we're just going to serve them. If you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.